guys, and it's me, Lovebird. And yeah, and I came back from Christmas and New Year's break because school was canceled, and I just wanted to have really fun with my family, all my cousins and my aunts and my grandma and my grandpa. And I just wanted to tell you guys that I'm 8 now, turning 9 this year because it's finally 2018. I was like 6 when I last did a video, 7, and yeah. And I was really want to come back with you guys, and I'll probably be doing some more videos, and go and check out me and my cousins musically. My name is Limbird1213, and my cousin's name is Mermaid something. It'll be in the description box below. I can't say right because of this New York accent. And Booby Whoop and Dojo Sleeper have Musically too, so go make sure that you check them out. And Musically is a really fun app, and yeah, you could get on Play stores and yeah, and Snapchat, but I don't have it. But I do it with my mom's phone, so yeah. You guys have to go and check that out. And you guys might realize my mom's Musically is because, Snapchat. And yeah, they're both really fun apps, so I think that you guys should go and check them out. Well, bye.